my name is Ayashee and today I am going to talk about Pilgrim's Youthful kit, which comes their Lift and Firm Serum and their Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash. So I'm going to talk about both of these products, so if you are interested then stay tuned till the end. So before I get into the video, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you find anything helpful out here, and also comment something lovely down below. And now let's get into the video. Also, I have so many Pilgrim videos out there, so feel free to check any of them out. Link will be down below in the description box. And now finally let's get into the video. So the first product which I am going to talk about is Pilgrim's Retinol and Hyaluronic Acid Lift and Firm Serum. So this is how the packaging looks like. It comes in this small little cute cardboard box. So apart from Pilgrim's red wine range, I think all of their products come in this beautiful coloring. First of all, talking about the packaging, I already told you guys that it comes in a cardboard packaging like that. And so it comes in a frosted bottle like this, and then we have the normal dropper, which is very common for every serum out there. Main ingredients of course are retinol, hyaluronic acid and pomegranate, which is already mentioned here. So this product is suitable for all skin types. So let's talk about the ingredients. So the product has retinol, hyaluronic acid and pomegranate. So retinol helps in fighting the signs of aging. Pomegranate extract helps in maintaining the elasticity of the skin, and hyaluronic acid helps in moisturizing the deeper layers of your skin. So all the ingredients are totally focused on fighting the signs of aging, which we can easily understand by the name of the product, as it is a youthful kit. So this product is suitable for all skin types, to which I think I can claim that it's actually true, because whenever I get any product, I use it, my sister uses it and my mother uses it, and we are all of different skin types. So far I have not experienced any kind of side effect with it. I'm an oily, acne prone kind of a person, and I have not experienced any kind of side effects. So it comes for a price of $6.50 and you get 30 ml of product with it. So this is going to last you for so long. So I'm going to show you guys its texture. And by the way, if you want to see its application on my face and full face application and all of that, then you can check out my Instagram reel. Link will be down below in the description box. Also check me out on Instagram. I post a lot of fun stuff there. So this is how the texture looks like. It's not like your everyday kind of a runny watery serum. It's very thick kind of a serum. So I'm just going to take some of it and apply it on my hand so you guys can see. It looks sticky, but it gets absorbed in your skin very easily and very fast. It's not like your oily or sweaty kind of a serum. However, it's not very glowy as well. It's not going to give you that glow. It kind of looks dry. However, it's very hydrating and moisturizing. It's very lightweight, so if you are going to include it in your skincare routine, then you're not going to feel any kind of heaviness at all, which I think is a really nice thing. So far I have been using it for a week and I did not experience any kind of side effect with it. So I actually think it is suitable for all skin types. And coming to the aging part, so it's just been a week, so I don't really think if you are trying to fight aging, then it's going to show any effect overnight or just within a week or so. But I have actually seen a little bit of firmness in my skins, and I trust Pilgrim's products a lot. I am a fan of their products, so I am sure that it's going to work really fine. So here comes a very aesthetic video, because how can we miss that on my channel? Received is their Volcanic Lava Ash Face Wash with Yucdugu and White Lotus. Again, this is suitable for all skin types. So this is how the product looks like. I already made a very detailed video about their Volcanic Lava Ash Face range, where I have talked about this face wash and their face scrub and their face mask. So feel free to check it out. Link will be down below in the description box and somewhere in the I button up here. So overall, what I can say is that I love their Volcanic Lava Ash range. It's my favorite. When I use this with their face scrub and face mask, I get a spa-like feeling. I have said it before and I will say it again as many times as required because I totally love this. It's a very soothing and refreshing feeling, so everybody should check this range out. Okay guys, so that was my review on Pilgrim's Youthful Kit. So if you guys found anything helpful, then you can help me out in return by subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and if you have used these products, then do not forget to share your experience with us in the comment section down below. Or if you want to see any other makeup review, then also do let me know. I would surely get on that. So I really hope to see you guys next time. Meanwhile, you can follow me on my Instagram. I am very active over there. You don't have to, but you can, and I would really appreciate it, and I would love to see you guys next time. Bye.